Every second, every day we lose a lot of sites in the world. We are not able to preserve everything. What we do? Well, we try to record and record. In World Heritage, we do research and we teach how we can interpret heritage around the world and how we can reconstruct sites, monuments, landscape, and traces of the past. How? Well, using three-dimensional technologies such as laser scanners, differential GPS, photogrammetry, computer vision, all technologies able to reconstruct the past in a 3D interactive way. And when we go to the lab, we post-process the data and we return the data in the shape of 3D worlds so that students and scholars and other colleagues can play with them, can interact with them, and can generate new interpretation. We went to Çatalhöyük, the famous Neolithic site in Turkey. Started a new project in the summer 2010 in collaboration with Stanford University, the Çatalhöyük project, and the University College of London. Çatalhöyük is a very famous site, Neolithic site in the world because of some specific condition of preservation of the site. It's very well preserved. It's unique because it's a pre-urban site. It's very old, I could say it around 10,000 years ago. And it's also explored by multidisciplinary teams coming from all over the world. We are the first to use this kind of combination and the only team with a 3D title over us. And I think this is just for us.
All the sites that are being uncovered today in present-day Turkey are giving insight about the great developments of social interaction and communities living together and settling in certain areas, and where we can see the transition from hunting and gathering to a sedentary lifestyle.
I couldn't believe that people who lived 9,000 years ago could make wall paintings and could make like animal figurines. They're a developed culture already, 9,000 years ago, and we don't know anything about them at all. So they have a whole city that we're just trying to learn, and we're trying to like develop a whole entire culture from little clues that we find. So undergraduates every day, they would work on 3D scanning of little artifacts. So we would have figurines, like little figurines of animals, and we would have stone tools and pottery that was made by the people 9,000 years ago. And then we would scan those artifacts, and the picture comes up on the computer, and we work to make those scans look really nice. And then for the second half of the day, we would be excavating actually at the site, and we would be taking layers off of the area that we were working on. As an undergraduate, to be able to study there with a professor and with students from the school and with a lot of professionals it was such an amazing experience.